a change of scenery. You guys might not recognize where I'm standing right now because usually we keep this spot behind the scenes. But today I thought, why not bring you guys with us to the spray booth? How exciting! So the Ferrari F355 is currently in the spray booth, prepped and ready, as you can see, to be resprayed on the entire front end of this car. So on the intro of this car, the stone chips was so bad, so we're gonna get rid of all those nasty stone chips and swirl marks and get some fresh, bold, popping new paint. I think it's gonna look incredible and I cannot wait to see the end results.
Don't forget to breathe, breathe, 'cause every poison word that's on your breath makes me hate the smell of cigarettes. Breathe, just breathe. They say that what you give is what you get, but I don't see how you could handle this. Made up my mind now.
Alright guys, the car has been resprayed, it's done and looking glossy and glistering and bold red. And I'm not going to show you just yet. I'm going to keep it a secret for myself a little while longer. So let's head back to the shop and then I'll show you the final review.